Looks like I've been thrown into the belly of the beast. Skyscraping blades of broken bone make up her tank. Her belly rumbles like a train on the subways underneath, and she screams like breaking steel on its wheels. And I quiver like a kite that's pulling tight against its string. I cower and creep just like the cockroaches that tremble at my feet. There must have been a siren saying, left me longing to stay, as I struggle to see how there could be any beauty in this beast. And all I see is cinder blocks, capping clouds like bottle tops, bathed fluorescently in light that never stops. So with the moths out on parade, I follow on their escalade to see the fastest reptile's reputation. And I quiver like the feathers of the sky rats